The next topic of your syllabus is government budget. A very important part of the economic activities is in an economy is the management of finances by the government, raising of revenue and incurring expenditure by the government are two major aspects of the fiscal system. The statements relating to revenue and expenditures of the government are integrated in a document called budget. Meaning of government budget. Government is in every country is required to undertake various economic, social and other activities. It also likes to pursue various policies to achieve certain policy objectives like economic development, reduction of inequalities of income and wealth. The government has to draw a financial plan corresponding to various activities it wants to undertake during the coming year. The budget of the government is an annual financial statement describing in detail the estimated receipts and proposed expenditures and disbursements of the government under various heads for the financial or fiscal year 1st April to 31st March. It is a description of the fiscal policies, taxation and public expenditure policies of the government and the financial plan corresponding to these policies. Types of budget in India. There are two types of budget which are discussed below. Union budget and state budget. Union budget. Union budget, the budget in India is divided on the basis of different layers of the government like central government, state governments and local governments. Each layer of the government prepares, passes and implements its own budget. Union budget is the budget prepared by the central government for the country as a whole. The budget is presented in two parts, railway budget and main budget. Railway budget. Railway budget shows the details of the estimated receipt and proposed expenditure and disbursement by the railway ministry which regards to Indian Railways only. The main budget shows the financial plan for the entire economy, describing in detail the estimated receipts and proposed expenditure for the economy as a whole. State budget. In India, we have a federal system of government with the union or the central government for the whole country and state governments for different part of the country. Therefore, every state government in India prepares its own budget. State budget is the budget prepared by the state government, such as the budget of Delhi government, budget of the government of Tamil Nadu, etc. Components of the government budget. The constitution of the country demands that the budget must distinguish expenditure on revenue, account for the expenditure on capital account. A revenue account covers those items which are of a recurring nature, while capital accounts covers those items which are of the nature of creating or reducing the capital asset. Accordingly, budget is necessarily presented in two parts, revenue budget and capital budget. Government budget is divided into two types of budget. One is revenue, another is capital. Revenue budget is divided into two types, revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Capital budget divided into two types: capital receipt and capital expenditure. Revenue budget shows revenue receipt of the government and the expenditures met form these revenue receipt. The revenue receipt or revenue budget consists of revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. The government is all those receipts which are non-redeemable. These are known as revenue receipt. Revenue receipt creates no liability, that is, which involve no repayment obligations or involve no sale of assets. A revenue receipt compromise tax revenue like income tax, excise duty, corporation tax, sales tax. These are revenue receipt. Non-revenue, non-tax revenues like interest receipt, penalties, fees, fines, income from public enterprise, grant donation, special assessment, they are known as non-tax revenue receipt. Revenue expenditure, expenditures incurred by the government on day-to-day functioning of the government and interest payment on government debt. These expenditures neither create any physical or financial asset nor reduce any liabilities of the government. The items which are included of revenue expenditures expenditure incurred on law and order, defense, interest payments and subsidies. Capital budget. Capital budget compromises capital receipt and capital expenditure of the government. It shows capital requirements of the government and financing of these expenditures. It is an account of change in the asset and liabilities of the government. Capital receipt. Capital receipt are the receipt of the government which creates liabilities or reduced asset of the government. The main component of such receipts are borrowing of all kinds and repayments of loans and advanced to the central government by state governments and public sector enterprises. This investment proceeds from the sale of public enterprises. Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure are those expenditures of the government which leads to creation of physical and financial asset of reduction of financial liabilities. Such expenditures are incurred on creation of physical and financial assets like land, buildings, machineries, equipment, shares, and in granting loans and advances to the state government and public sector enterprises.